apologize for having kind of disappeared. I just wanted to share that not everybody's excited during the Christmas holidays or on New Year's Day, New Year's Eve. During the holidays, not everybody's excited and happy. I have a friend whose mom is dying. She could die anytime soon. Could be today, could be tomorrow. And I personally went through so much this year with my little family. I am a first-time mom, and I'm a wife. My husband is really sick, and it's been a very hard season for all of us. But in the midst of it all, the Lord always shows up in ways that we literally cannot comprehend. Just to give you some ideas, I've been unemployed for almost a year already. I was laid off when I was pregnant during my maternity leave, and my husband had to stop working as well because of his health status, which has become life-threatening. I've been applying for so many jobs everywhere, no concrete plans or positive outcomes so far, despite all the efforts being made and etc. As a human, sometimes I'm like, where are you, Lord? Where are you, God? If you truly are an amazing God, why do you allow such horrible things to happen in our lives? We're first-time parents. We thought we had it all. We thought we had it all figured out. And then by the blink of an eye, that thing happens in your life. You get sick. You lose your comfort zone. You lose your job. And you're on the verge of becoming homeless. You have no idea what's going on. You have no idea where you're going to get food from tomorrow or even today. But the Lord has always showed up. He always provides. And just to give you an idea, we've had so many days when we thought we're not going to make it. We're not going to have rent for the month because we rent an apartment. The day when we are supposed to pay our rent, we have like minus $5 on our bank account. There's no way we're gonna pay that. But the Lord shows up. He sends some folks, people who are not necessarily our friends or family members, who checks on us. Sometimes people who follow us on social media, checking on us and asking how we are. And then these people end up saying, the Lord has put you guys in our hearts. We want to bless you with 2 months rent. That has happened to us so many times. It's not the first day. It's not the first time that kind of story happens to our family. Is it because we're amazing? No. It is because God is great and He's so faithful. He truly is a provider. He's a Jireh. Jireh. He truly is a provider. He's a faithful God. And during the holiday season, if you are like us, if you're going through some hardships in life, some difficulties, whether it's like financial situation or relationship wise, or if you're unhealthy as well, the Lord always shows up. And just allow Him to intervene in your life and just invite Him in your heart. I hope that you realize that He has not forgotten about you. Bye.